Now we are going to learn about a conditional formatting. Here, conditional formatting. Here it is there. For example, if you go to the home tab, you will be having a conditional formatting. How it will be useful? Conditional formatting will be useful. For example, based on a condition, you like to highlight the cell, or if you like to change the format of this cell based on a condition. Okay, some condition to be satisfied to highlight that one. For example, in a payment status, okay, we have to highlight only the paid cells. Okay, if you like to highlight all the paid cells in a green color, okay, to do that one we'll be using a conditional formatting. How can we do that one? We can select the cells, that particular column you can select, that is nothing but payment status column. We selected this data, then conditional formatting here. Okay, in conditional formatting we can use either this predefined rules. This is not a greater than or a top or bottom cells. Here we have to use a new rule. We have to use a new rule. Select that new rule, and it will ask, is it based on a value? No, this is not a value here, because this is the text. So we have to select a second one, that is the cell that contain. Okay, cell that contain. Okay, then we can say specific text, not value. Cell that contain a specific text containing paid. If it is a containing a paid, like this. Okay, we have selected here condition. New rule is nothing but a format only cell that contain specific text. Okay, here we selected specific text containing paid. Then we have to format such cell. We would like to format. Fill, here fill we select. Okay, we will fill the green color. Okay, green color, fill green color. Okay, we say okay. Now you can see all the cell which has a paid status will be shown in a green color. Like this we can apply for a pending as a red color. We can select here, select conditional formatting, new rule, cell that contains second one, not a value, text is should be containing a pending. Okay, exact spelling you have to write, otherwise it will not be able to search. Format, fill, for example pending should be in a red color, so that no need to read here. You will come to know that by color itself you will be able to identify which are in a pending status, which are in a paid status. Okay, which are in a paid status. Like that we can able to highlight. Again, one more way. For example, you would like to know about a top three invoices. Okay, top three invoice amount you would like to know. Then we can select that particular invoice amount. Select all the invoice amounts. Conditional formatting, top. Okay, here top 10 item is there. Top 10 item is there. First select that one, top 10 item. Like that you can select a bottom 10 also. Top 10 items, we'll say here top 3, not 10. Top 3, top 3, and highlight with the which color you would like to highlight. Okay, that particular color you can take. Okay, you can go to custom format and you can say highlight with the green. Okay, so top 3 will be highlighted. Here we have been taken top 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 has been taken. If you like to edit this rule, if you like to edit any of the rule, select that one. Go to conditional formatting, manage rules. Here manage rules option is there. Manage rules, select this one, and to edit rules you can select this one to edit the rules. Okay, top 3, then okay. Like this we can edit. Like this we can edit. Again, if you like to delete the rules, we have to go to clear clear rules from the selected cell to clear the rules. Okay, again one more thing you can add. For example, here quantity is there. Based on quantity, the bar should be shown. Okay, you can do that one. Conditional formatting, data bars, you can use any of the colored bars. Okay, so that based on quantity it will be fill up the gap. Higher the quantity, fully it will be fill up. If it lower quantity, it will not be filled up. Okay, like this. Otherwise you would like to add a stars, you can add a stars here. Okay, or signals, any type of the icons. It will be based on a data selected in a selected range. They based on a data, it will give the different color combination. Okay, these are the things you can use when required. Okay, based on a data, it will give the red to green. Color variation will be there. Color scale is nothing but, okay, data bar is nothing but data. The bar will be filled in the sense that shading will be filled based on a value. Okay, if you are changing a value this to 50, now it will be changing this one. If you were changing to 500, okay, like this, the as amount change here, quantity change, your the length of the field area will be changing. Okay, this is about how can we utilize the different types of the conditional formatting. Okay, conditional formatting. If you like to clear rules, we can say here you can manage rules by using this particular option. Okay, you can manage your rules anytime. Okay, this is about a conditional formatting, one of the interesting topic which is available in a Excel.